All right, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to swap out a sun visor on a Nissan Titan. So I let my wife use my truck, and next thing you know, my sun visor's broke. All right, so no big deal. Like I said, I got on Amazon. I ordered a new one. And like I said, the replacement is gonna work from a 2004 Nissan Titan to a 2024 Nissan Titan. And it also works with some of the Nissan Armadas. Like I said, I'm not sure on those years. However, like I said, it's a pretty simple job. The hardest thing that you're gonna run into is getting this little cap off right here. And like I said, I'm gonna show you a little tool that I found to be very useful with it. All right, guys, so the little tool that I take the cap off with is actually a paint can opener tool. Like I said, it works perfect for getting behind that cap and just kind of popping it out. So I'll show you what that process looks like. Like I said, you get it tucked in just behind there and just kind of pry out with it gently. And once you get it started, you can just kind of work its way out. All right, so that's it. So you got those little tabs right there kind of holding it in. And so that's kind of what you're working against to get it off. So like I said, nothing hard. However, like I said, it did kind of give me some problems. Got that cap off, okay. The next step is gonna be, you got 2 bolts up here, and it's gonna be a 9/32. So you get you a 9/32 socket. Then you gently pull this out. Unclip that. Okay, now we're ready for the new one. Put the old one up there. Got the new one in the plastic. All right, again, line that little tab up. All right, so now we tuck that wire back in gently. All right, you can actually put it in that little bracket holder there until you screw it in. All right, put your bolts back in. Get that good and snug. All right, here's your cap. All right, let's see how we did. All right, the new one's good to go. Let's make sure the light's working. All right, guys, good as new. Like I said, that was about a 5-minute fix. Like I said, I got on Amazon, I ordered it. I want to say it was roughly $90. I did check with the dealership, and it was over 200 bucks. And then if you had them do it, you're gonna pay them a service fee also. So anyways, for 90 bucks, I did it myself. I probably saved somewhere between 200 and 250 bucks doing it this way. Like I said, it's easy, you can do it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.